Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a calendar event in Gmail using n8n. So we are going to head over n8n and then we're going to start by adding or connecting our Gmail account to the specific n8n. It is not going only to consist by creating the n8n or the Gmail. Also, we need to connect our specific calendar or Google Calendar. So we are going to head over n8n, then we are going to head over the overview. So after you have signed in into your account, you're going to see this view. We're going to head over the credentials and then we're going to add our credential. So we are going to click on the plus and then we're going to add the credential as a personal. We're going to type in the first one, Gmail, and we are going to connect it. Click on continue, sign in with Google, and we're going to choose the account that we want to set up the email with. So we are going to select this one. I want to allow this to connect to my Google account and data. Then we are going to select all the access. Click on continue. After that, we are going to have the connection successful. Now we are going to head over the second port. So needs first step. So here we have everything. Now we are going to add another connection, which is going to be a part of credential. We are going to type in Google Calendar, and we are going to create it also already. So we are going to say use the same Google account that we have selected before. Click on continue, and boom. Now we have created those. Now what we're going to do is to head over the workflow and we're going to create a new workflow. So we can go ahead and add a first step. So we can go ahead and have Google Calendar. We're typing calendar, like that. We have the Google Calendar. We're going to see the actions, for example, creating an event. Here we are going to create an event. Then we are going to select the event for the source, the creation, and etc. And after that, you can go ahead and have also the second port, which is going to be Gmail, which is going to compose here, add in, for example, a label or whatever you want. So you can go ahead and have maybe some other actions in here. So that was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.